Not a lot of variety today, but some really good quality veneers. Here's a book match pair of Goncalo Alves or Tiger Wood. You can see the why it's called Tiger Wood. It has the bright orange or the mid orange color with the black streaks intermixed in here, and with some sapwood. Kind of definitely has a color of the tiger in it. This is definitely one wood you want to stay away from if you are a first-time veneer user. It's an extremely difficult wood to work with. It's brittle. That's the best way I can describe it. It's like almost has a tendency to just shatter like a piece of glass. It's a very short-grained, very stiff wood. But man, it really it's worth the effort to try. But I would not recommend for a first-time veneer user. Here's another good-looking wood, Wenge. Dark chocolate brown on this piece. Just a gorgeous high-end looking wood. I make a lot of projects with it. Just has just such a nice character to it. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous wood. Again, one of those woods where I'd say it's questionable about being a novice veneer user wood, but it does have some issues. Being again also brittle, hard to cut, but it is well worth the effort to use. Here's a piece of actually a stack of maples. Sheets, all side-to-side full curl figure. I don't think it's really catching the light on this, but yeah, there you go. It's pretty subtle, but just a gorgeous, gorgeous wood as well. These were segments from a much larger sheets. I think these were almost 15 foot long when I got them originally. These are just the cut-offs from it. And there's another wood I highlighted the other day was some Bubinga or waterfall Bubinga, Kavazinga. African rosewood. This here is really a good figure to it. Look how the figure just follows the ropey or the curl figure with that. Again, one of those woods where if you get it wet, it really benefits from like an oil finish to it. It really just pops out that three-dimensional look to it. Again, another wood that I have a lot of woods that I would say is not a good wood for a first time, or this one might be a bit borderline. I had a little difficulty working with this when I first started, but it actually is well worth the effort as well. It does not heat you. Do not want to use this for the iron-on heat method. It kind of fissures pretty badly. And maple, same way. Here's another piece of this one's a bird's eye maple. You can find all these veneers and more on my eBay store, ThinWoodandOldTools, my Etsy shop, Volpe Woodworks, my website, VolpeWoodworks.com. On Amazon is seller Volpe Woodworks. My YouTube channel is posting pretty regularly now. Please consider subscribing if you like the content. I'm always happy to assist you in selecting a veneer for an upcoming project. Just reach out to me by email at tom@VolpeWoodworks.com.